Where was the worst date you ever experienced? Worst date. Oh, worst date. Um, I never really been on date. Yeah, yeah, I am 30. Yes, and I never really been on any date at all. Why? Why is that thing? Um, Okay, yeah. So basically, this thing, I am from kind of like a something really local city, not really that much big city. As also my upbringing is actually mostly include towards the men. Like 11वीं 12वीं तक तो हमारे क्लास में लड़कियां थी, बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू द इंजीनियरिंग देन मैकेनिकल, तो फिर वहाँ पे लाइक बेसिकली ऑल द बॉयज़ स्कूल, सॉरी ऑल द बॉयज़ कॉलेज एंड मतलब ऑल द बॉयज़ नहीं, बट लड़कियां बहुत कम होती थी, सो इतना इन्फ्लुएंस आया नहीं कभी. ओके. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट जॉब एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, जॉब में भी कुछ ऐसी लड़कियां थी नहीं वगैरह वगैरह. ओके. सो probably at the age of 27 I never really have kind of like something influence from the girl. Okay, like बहुत ही कम थे. Okay, as also I have so many friend who is actually girl, but probably those are just a friend. Okay, yeah. And basically is it I never really look that way to those people, no. um so yeah, this is kind of like something a reason. As also is this thing ki for me I usually prioritize career first. Okay, I always thought that ki like पैसे, जॉब, करियर इज़ अ फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. ओके, लड़कियां तो मिलती रहेगी, सो आई नेवर रियली चेस एनी वन. ओके, आई नेवर रियली काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ टॉक टू एनी वन. लाइक बेसिकली दिस थिंक, मैंने किसी लड़की के साथ चाट भी नहीं किया है. इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट लाइक करीब 5 6 7 साल हो गए. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली व्हेन एट द एट like I don't know yaar, like till the age of 23 24 I just I just really enthusiastic for talking to the girls. Like I just text some sort of random stranger to hi and hello वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, but कभी reply आता नहीं था. Then after the age of 24 or 23 I haven't really done that. मैंने कभी ऐसा किया नहीं. Okay, I haven't really sent any text message to the any random stranger, no, nothing really at all. And I never really kind of like initiate to have a kind of like a something like a girlfriend. So it's just like that. Nah. Okay, मेरा like basically मेरा influence भी बहुत कम था, and as also I don't really have that kind of like a something really that key things that I should supposed to do for being a girlfriend or being kind of like a someone's boyfriend. I haven't really done that. And my priority is always be a career and money, and so it's just like that. Till the age of 30 I am yeah, I haven't really been on date. Like I haven't been a date guy, just like I haven't really talked to the नहीं बेसिकली दैट मैं लड़कियों से बात किया है. ओके, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड और मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड फीमेल फ्रेंड दैट आई टॉक. ओके, बट इट जस्ट लाइक दैट किसी ऐसे लड़की से जो आई डोंट नो यार. या बेसिकली व्हेन आई वाज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड तो मैं आई हैव कपल ऑफ क्रशेस. ओके. ओके, बट सिंस देन सिंस आई वेंट टू द कॉलेज देन उसके बाद तो कभी ऐसे फील भी नहीं हुआ. ओके, या देर इज़ अ वन गर्ल विच इज़ एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट कि आई एम रियली इन टू हर. ओके, मैं बहुत उस इंसान से प्यार करने लगा था. ओके, एट द एज ऑफ 2014. ओके, 2014 मीन्स लाइक 23 या 23 में उस लड़की से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करने लगा था. ओके, then that girl is actually from our school. Okay, and then somehow I but I didn't really have courage to talk to her. Okay, just I just have a number, WhatsApp number, I'm just saving her DP. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I haven't really been on initiate that much. Okay, but there is a one day that I just realized that कि चलो एक बार मन की बात खुल से बताते हैं. So I just try to approach that particular person, but somehow that person didn't really feel me that way. So फिर कभी ऐसे हुआ ही नहीं. Okay, then that person was gone, and then since then means like since 2017 17 या 17 18, yeah, I haven't really उस लड़की के साथ जब बात होती थी ना, तो वो भी बात काफ़ी बहुत ही कम होती थी. जस्ट थ्रू द चैटिंग एंड या. So I never really have kind of like something any influence to the girl, and So I never really been on date. Okay, date kya hai? I never really kind of like something done anything at all. So um, yeah, am I kind of like something missing some sort of life experiencing? Yeah, I am thinking about that. Okay, yeah, because like basically I seen so many people at my age, they are having a girlfriend, they are having things, they are enjoying things, wagera wagera. Like most of my friends has girlfriend and things like that. um I don't. Okay, like it, I don't know, yeah. It's like that, na ki like I'm not really think that it's a kind of like a something really a galat. No, no, no. It's kind of like a something like that ki not really that important. Yeah, for me, I think that it's not really that important. So that's why, yeah, maybe I am kind of like something really very worst person. Yeah, but probably at this moment I haven't really been on date, and obviously, how would I supposed to be worst date if I didn't really been on date? Okay, yeah. Next question.